So the market had a pretty rough day today. Nasdaq drops 2.8%, posting worst day since March, just because treasury yields jumped. Yeah, tech obviously got hit the hardest. We'll take a look at some of the stocks and some of the charts in a second, but one of the main reasons why, in my opinion, I just was not in a lot of tech stuff is because I was pretty nervous about just all this stuff. But 3% isn't like that bad. 3% in one day is kind of rough. But realistically, when the market's been going up like mad high, 3% isn't like that bad. But I still would like this stuff to fall a little bit more. Because again, I just want to buy some stuff that isn't super expensive. Let's take a look at some charts though. Here we got Apple. See, Apple fell 2.3 something percent today. Really had that, had that ascending kind of triangle, kind of broke out. Hit that like actually just some random number, 157. Now it's down about 10% from that. I guess I want to look at, let's go to SPY first. SPY fell 2%. We're back at that trend line. Interesting, okay. Look at that volume too, wow. So we had a big sell-off, we had a bounce, and now we had another sell-off to retest this. We gotta look at a bigger time frame for this, but it still looks so minuscule. But I feel like a 10% correction drop, maybe in like a month or so, would not be that out of the question. However, again, I'm wrong a lot. The stuff keeps bouncing, going higher, yeah. But on a short time frame, it looks really weak if it cannot hold this level. But the real support level, maybe you can draw this, get a trend line here, but in my opinion, the big support's like down here for the SPY. QQQ down 2.8%. Wow, look at that wick too, and the volume. That is a very bearish signal. Wow. Let's see, bigger time frame. 330, 340 seems to be a decent support area. I don't think this trend line's super strong. I don't even know why I have it, but we'll just keep it. Actually, no, that's kind of a pretty strong trend line. Realistically, maybe there if you're going to connect these weekly candles. It's a pretty weak trend line, actually. Let's get this, then get that wick. It's still in 3, but yeah, it's really realistic. Let's see what it's doing after market. Man, nice, or very weak looking. Actually, no, this is aftermarket. If we look at a lower time frame, it started here, tried to go higher, sold off, then later in the day tried to spike up. Oh, it actually did spike up, and later in the day, the last hour, really sold back off. Interesting. Let's see what the Dow. Wow, Google fell 3.7%. Why is this here? Let's get rid of that. Wow. EMX. So KL actually fell very much, a lot today. We had that really bad wick though. I don't like that wick at all. And now we're back in the negative. Kirkland down 8% on Pesa, and blah blah blah. American Eagle Miners and Kirkland Lake to merge. Honestly, I think that's probably a good thing. I'm pretty kind of dumb in this sector, but I think the merge would be decent just to make it a bigger company. Disney fell a little bit, holding that trend line though. Baba getting can we see some upward movement in Baba, please? Intel fell a little bit. Really holding though, this like $53. Mag really holding this weird bottom trend line. I don't know, it's interesting. Exxon was up a little bit. Last few days been cruising. Walgreens not doing too much. Let's see, what's Bitcoin? Still looking pretty weak. Around, what's this level though? What's that? 42? I don't know. still considering adding. Oh wow, it fell below the trend line. Let's see, that's good. Or not good, but I think it's good because I didn't buy it yet. Yeah, we had those wicks. I didn't like it. Even this wick back here, this one too. If this gets like $10, that'd be so spicy. I hope we see some of these prices though, because I don't have all the money in the world to deploy, because I already started buying stuff, because I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy stuff that has value right now, but I would like to buy things cheaper, you know. Corsair down almost 5%. Oh man. Oh man. Actually, what's Logitech doing? I gotta put that on the watch list. It got taken off. Oh man, look at that, down almost 7%. That's looking so spicy. That candle doesn't look that good though. I mean, this company obviously did have a big run up, but the company itself, I think, fundamentally is quite strong. Didn't get added to the list. Why is it not getting added? There, okay, it did. Discovery. It's tempting. Dick's Sporting Goods. EA. Oh, nice little bounce in EA. Still want it a little cheaper though. I'm not gonna be too hasty. The JDX, man, that thing is just falling. Gold, my gosh, so cheap. The fact that this is down like that much, like this is just so cheap. And what did it fall? Oh, it didn't really move today, but man, cheap. I think I told you guys I ended up getting out of this trade on this day, and then obviously it bounces 10% from there, but I just didn't like those two candles. I wasn't willing to risk it, even though I have a feeling the oil is gonna go higher. I already have the Exxon, you know, in the portfolio. It's okay, I just wanted it to bounce here and just see what happens, but didn't get that uranium down a little bit. Pretty volatile like last week, or not volatile, but just fell a lot. Came up this week, tried to get above like 24, that trend line kind of fell down. CCJ probably looks exactly the same. Yeah, wheat and precious metals, oh man. I was looking at this up here a couple days ago and it's already down here. If it gets to like 36, man. I don't want to over leverage the portfolio in miners again though. But at the same time, like, this stuff is so cheap. I mean, it's my opinion that it's cheap though. Trade desk down negative 8.6%. Nikola down, why is this even on the list? Palantir, Unity down a lot, KO, Redfin, Snapchat down 7%. I think Facebook went so much to fell. AMD down 6%. Space down. I'm so happy. I was really debating a trade. I didn't want to make a video about it because I just didn't want to, because I knew I was gonna be an idiot. I was like, don't do this, Kev. So all this buying action here, you know, then I'm like, you know what, I can't get in this trade again and lose. Just mentally, that was not gonna be good. Shopify down 5%. Nvidia 4.44%. Then like Facebook down 3.6. Microsoft down 3.6. Let's see, did anything move higher today? Activision, okay. Interesting. Baba, EA, NEM. Why was NEM moving today? Clorox 1%. I mean, these things didn't move that much, but still a little bit. Take-Two still at 140, still too expensive for me, but it's, man, all these things, all the gold miners are looking so spicy. Man, I don't want to just do that again because it's kind of not risky, it's just like, I don't know. I just don't want to over leverage the portfolio again. It's just not smart. These companies are dirty dirt cheap. Let's see what other things we're looking at. I mean, Mac actually was up a pretty good today, surprisingly. What's... I mean, I think GOLD... I don't know, this is just looking too cheap. I think from a free cash flow point of view, it's really, like... But do I buy this, or do I just buy more like KL? I don't know. LMT, let's see. Oh, my portfolio actually didn't move down that much today. I mean, the biggest thing was KL, and that was not even affected by the news, really. If the treasury yield is more affected by the fact that they're merging with AEM. Is that it? I'm gonna read this. You guys can't see that, but I'm just gonna read this really quick. And Eagle Miners merge. A combined market cap of 24 billion. Wow. Shares of both companies are falling Tuesday. Just today, obviously. Wow, 1 point. This was down 9.3%. So I cannot pronounce this. Agnico shareholders will hold 54% of the stock in the new company. Operate under Agnico's name. And the Kirkland shareholders will receive 0.78 of... Wait a minute. Oh, they bought this. Oh, wait, who bought who? Now I'm confused. I gotta read this again. I think, yeah, AEN bought the other... No, actually they merged, so I gotta read more about this. But I'm gonna get some of the AEM shares to this company. So that's interesting. This is actually a pretty good company too. I was actually probably gonna end up purchasing at a pretty good level too, but this trend line's where I think I get super excited. Again, I just got too many things on the buy list. That's gonna fall a little bit though, but it's really interesting though. Kirkland merged. Definitely gonna do some DD on this later. I'll watch some videos and try to read their like announcement or something, or maybe I should have done it prior to the video, but I don't think most people care about me talking about this, and I forgot what I was talking about. Anyway, interesting merger though. I want to look at Smith and Wesson really quick. They fell a little bit. Not like the best volume like these buying days, but oh, actually, let me go to my investing list. I mean, possible investing list. I mean, things didn't fall as much as I thought they did. The only thing that really fell was in like the tech space. I'm not really eyeing up tech for a while anyway. Verizon's still looking spicy though. But yeah, anyway, just a little shorter video today, just talking about some stuff. I think I might do like a top 5 video for October, like of stonks I'm probably gonna buy if the prices are right. But for now, yeah, I don't want to really waste any more people's time. That's all I'm really gonna chat about in this video. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I'll talk to you guys soon.